sitting in the morning sun. I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Look like nothing's gonna change, everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Listen, sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. Listen, 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my home. Now I'm just gonna sit at the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Take off your shoes, put down your hat, turn on the music and we'll get somewhere. Dance, dance, dance till your toes get tan. We're gonna have us a ball in the beach, slice and sand. Hug me a heap, sway me a lot. We got a lot of ocean if it gets too hot. Ooh, baby, take my hand. We'll have some real rockin' fun in the sun. Slice and sand. Come, baby, come. Let's dig some holes. You'll find it's heaven with sand on your soul. Slice to the left, slice to the right, slice down the middle, baby, hold me tight. Ooh, baby, hold my hand. We'll have some real rockin' fun in the sun, slice and sand. We'll have some real rockin' fun in the sun, slice and sand.
Just alright. He's going to count down from 3. It is going to be loud, so I want you guys to plug your ears if you like. I'm actually going to turn the engines off here and scoot back just a little. We get a strange noise off these buildings. That's really what we're interested in. All right. Y'all count with Caleb. Plug your ears if you want, and here we go.
Guys, fired away in 3,
2, 1. And everybody said, "Yeehaw!" I knew.
I don't